RFK Jr. pulls $500 million from vaccine programs. Experts call it catastrophic. Is this the end of mRNA vaccines in America? RFK Jr.'s latest move just rocked the entire medical world, and public health experts are sounding the alarm. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, do you believe mRNA vaccines are safe and effective? Washington, in a decision that's sending shockwaves through the medical and scientific communities, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has halted $500 million in federal funding for 22 vaccine development projects, primarily targeting respiratory viruses like COVID-19, the flu, and avian flu, H5N1. The projects, many of which utilized mRNA technology, the same breakthrough innovation credited with slowing the devastating spread of COVID-19 in 2020, were being led by major pharmaceutical giants such as Pfizer and Moderna. But in a statement released Tuesday, Kennedy doubled down on his skepticism of the technology, announcing a dramatic shift in the federal vaccine development strategy. A radical shakeup in public health policy. Kennedy, a longtime critic of vaccine safety and now head of the Department of Health and Human Services, has fired the federal panel responsible for vaccine recommendations, curtailed COVID-19 shot guidelines, and now, with this latest move, effectively dismantled one of the core pillars of America's pandemic preparedness. To replace the troubled mRNA programs, we're prioritizing the development of safer, broader vaccine strategies, like whole virus vaccines and novel platforms that don't collapse when viruses mutate, Kennedy said in a video shared on his social media accounts. Experts warn, this could be a catastrophe. Public health experts are calling the decision reckless, short-sighted, and potentially deadly. I don't think I've seen a more dangerous decision in public health in my 50 years in the business, said Dr. Michael Osterholm, Director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy at the University of Minnesota. Osterholm emphasized that mRNA vaccines offer a critical advantage in rapid production, a necessity during sudden outbreaks or future pandemics. DNA, the mRNA legacy, millions of lives saved. The mRNA platform, first fast-tracked during the Trump administration, is not only credited with saving millions of lives during COVID-19, but is also showing promise in treating cancer and other diseases. Speaking ahead, it's certainly saved millions of lives, said Dr. Paul Offit, a leading vaccine expert at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. And it's not just infectious diseases. At a White House event earlier this year, billionaire tech mogul Larry Ellison hailed mRNA as a medical revolution with the potential to transform cancer therapy in the near future. Microscope why this matters now more than ever. The decision to pull the plug comes amid growing concerns about a potential bird flu pandemic, H5N1, which experts fear could spread globally. mRNA technology, with its speed and adaptability, was viewed as one of the few tools capable of responding to such a crisis. By shelving these projects, Kennedy may be leaving the nation vulnerable, just when vigilance is most needed. A big agenda. Critics argue that this isn't just about science, it's about ideology. Kennedy's anti-vaccine views are well documented, and some say this move reflects politics over public health. But his supporters applaud the shift toward more traditional vaccine technologies, citing long-term safety data and distrust in newer biotech. The debate is on. What do you think? Are mRNA vaccines the future of medicine, or a risk not worth taking? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you believe the public deserves the truth about their health. Stay tuned for more breaking updates, only on Nexa News.
Did you know that over 95% of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel? We totally get it. Life gets busy, and sometimes it's easy to forget. But here's the thing. Subscribing is completely free, and it really helps us keep creating the content you enjoy. So why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? It only takes a second, but it makes a world of difference to us. Thank you for your support.